Okay, we're inside the factory and this is the stores that feeds the lines on our left. Just gives you some idea of the extent. And the first bench we're going to look at. Thank you, Graham.
Catwalk,
The first bench we're going to look at is assembling the AJCs. You'll see it's a horseshoe-shaped bench. And the young lady on this one is new to this job, so she says. Expect me to believe that. Okay, this is just the straightforward case of getting the component parts and putting them together. Which is a very obvious thing to say, really, and a very obvious thing to do. And just because the camera's running, this won't fit. Technical, that. The long pin, there's a short pin. There's the thermostatic spring. Okay, handle first, and then the on-off lever and the spring. Into there. C-spring fitted. Short pin goes in the top. The lever arm slots into there. Anybody watching this is going to think it's difficult, but it isn't really. They normally go in like that.
I normally go in easy, but...
It is normally goes in anything. There are. Normally going like that. Okay, we're going to see where those meet up. Okay, the element's put on the jig and the washer is put around the senior washer front and that slips onto there. And the washer goes on my hand, screwed up, straightened up. You've got a gauge to make sure that stays straight, have you? You're straightening that up by eye, as it were. Oh, you're straightening it up with that?
Yeah. What I do is I get the holes in the right place like that.
You get it so how?
I line it up.
Oh yeah.
Like that.
Just line up the holes.
Yeah. Only I'm new to this job as well.
We've slowed down. We haven't actually got the usual ladies on this. You press. Oh, come on. You know, today there's not anybody in the whole place doing the usual job. Just line that up, have you?
Yeah. And on. That's lined up.
So you can see the brass pins either side. There and there. You can see them straight. So the brass pins are lined up. And the centre hole, that is to say here, which goes over the top and onto the neck. Oh, dear eyes, you're the first person that is not new to the job.
Well, that's my job now, but Linda's been filling because I've been doing that.
That's my job.
Yeah.
Oh.
This used to be my job.
Where's Cheryl anyway?
Not very well.
Oh, sorry to hear that. I thought she looked a bit under the weather the other day. Not that I'm a doctor, you understand, because my hands are too cold. I wanted to be, but I haven't got a prayer. Anyway, the handle goes on there. 2 screws. 1, 2. Base goes on. 3 more screws. 1, 2, 3. And onto that. Now, just do that again slowly. We'll make sure on this rig that even when it's switched off, even with this interference bit here, that it still switches off. Okay, if it does that, it then goes to the boil test. This special rig that these elements are on heat without any water. Oops. Those two are now being changed and put onto the boil program over there. And everyone's boiled, as you can see, swished out. What's wrong with that one? Failed, has it? Oh. This is actually not the most exciting bit of the recording, waiting for the kettle to boil.
Really quick.
These are fast boiling elements, of course, for anybody watching this. Alright. Never mind. Oh, there we go. Well, watch this, it's more fun. That's it. So these are on dry boil. There they are. In there. Okay, nossa. And when the thing, you won't hear it click. There's a bimetal over there, you're going to click in a minute. Click, click. If you heard that, then you'll know what was going on. They fill up, and then they go to the boiling process. Now they get cleaned out from here, water tipped away, and then put on the Clair multi-tester. Now over there, we're making the bases. We'll go over and have a look at those in a minute. But the bases, these here are mated up with the kettles and put on the Clair tester. This particular kettle, they're destined to go to Greece. That's quite nice, isn't it? It's a nice label.
They're hard to get on.
Yeah, I mean they're nice once they're done.
Yeah.
Have you? Oh, nice job. Belonging in Greece. This kettle's tested by itself on the tester. And after it's cleared, it goes into a polythene bag and when you get put into a box like that, as you'll see in a moment. This is the tricky bit. You're good at that. Well, this turns a nice ordinary plain white box into something a bit more special.